wanting it soon and bad. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're gonna do a little walk around today. This is a 1986 Cutlass, cold AC, got the 5.0 under the hood. Pretty clean car inside and out. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping information, all of our inventory. We did just update today, so definitely go check that out. See all of our new cars. Went ahead and opened the hood and the trunk. That way I'm not fumbling keys and flipping the camera around. Make things a little easier for this video. So since we're back here at the trunk, we'll go ahead and check it out and shut it, see how it lines up. The seals look good. The jams are nice and clean. The trunk has got a nice little mat in here. Look how clean it is up under it. Maybe they had some wasp in here at one time, but let's see. Package tray's in good shape. Spare tire back here, all bolted in. Let's go ahead and shut it down. That's a magnet tag I stuck on there. Shuts pretty good. Looks pretty good. The top is not in perfect shape. You can see kind of the little paint peeling up on the edges there. Tinted windows all the way around. Vinyl top's got some scratches. But the paint on this car is not in bad shape at all for the year. Great tires all the way around. Killer tread. Interior's clean. I'm gonna try to find some flaws for you. So we're gonna start up here in the front and go down this car. It's got some touch-up paint right there on the bumper in the front. Little scratch here, some more touch-up paint. Little scratch on the side of the car there. Light scratch there. Somebody got them good right here. Exhaust sticking out the side. Trim's in good shape. Window's not all chipped up. I'll be shutting the hood down here shortly. And guys, if you're new to this channel, we do test drive videos as well, so we're getting ready to do a test drive on this right after check it all out. Looking down this side. You've got some really small scratches like that. Just in random places. I'm trying to catch most of them. On top of the fender there. Hit it with the right amount of lighting for you to really see them. There's two chips. All right, let's check this interior out. These mattresses they have for seats. The door opens very smooth. Material looks great. It's got power everything. Weather stripping looks great around the door jambs. You're not gonna find too many of them in this condition. This is a pretty clean car. Power seats, literally pillows. Your headliner's hanging. I think I remember my grandma having one of these. She had a whole bunch of thumbtacks pushing them up. All right. It's just incredibly clean in here for this year. Go ahead, start her up. What we got here? There's a check engine light on the dash. The AC is cold. I tried it when I pulled it up. You got to flip this switch, and that cuts on the compressor. I guess the switch went out in this for the compressor, so. But they got it wired through the door. That's what that wire was. It's showing 22,000 miles on this dash here. Sure, it's 122, and it's probably original miles. So this thing looks great. Radio's working. Place your bets. You think this horn works? Go ahead, try our windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are working. Good deal. All right, guys, you ready for this horn? It does work. Got power windows. Good deal. It's quiet. We'll get you right on the exhaust pipe. Oh, got you fogged. All right, we're gonna shut this hood down, see how it lines up. Hood comes down really easy. And it locks really easy. Very clean looking. All right, I'm about to do some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look up under the front, the driver's side, the rear, the passenger side. And I do have those detailed pictures you can look at. They also take pictures of under sides of all the cars here. And then we're gonna jump in the car and start another video, do a test drive. We're gonna take it down the road, see how it runs. All right, guys, I'm gonna start up here in the front. Let's look under this car. Guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. I do got another channel that I'm setting up here, doing some music on, so please go over there and hit that subscribe button as well. It's called Southgate Production. You can find it at the top right hand corner. I do play all that music at the intros of all of these videos. Check out maplemotors.com for detailed pictures, financing, shipping information. And if you're not following this page, hit that subscribe button. I'm on top of it almost every single day, trying to get these cars out there to y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Let's get ready for this test drive.